So I had this baseball bat which I made in primary school, and I already cut off a big bit of it. But it's still too big and heavy, so I want to shorten it a bit and round off the tip so it still looks like a baseball bat. I could do this at home manually, but it goes so much faster to go to my friend's workshop and use his tools. So I already rounded it off, but I thought the shape was a bit off. I wanted it to be a bit rounder at the top, and now it looked good, but it still felt too heavy. So I cut off the top part again and felt how it felt the weight, still too heavy. So I took off another little part, and now it felt okay. So now I need to chop off the top or round it off and file it down so it's smooth and round at the top again. Sand it. And then I mark out where I'm gonna have some grooves and to make the grip better so that it feels nice to hold and so that it looks a bit more interesting than just a regular old bat. So I make some different sizes and variations, then sand them down so they're not so sharp. And then it's time to do the final polishing. Now it feels really nice to hold, good finish, and I'm real pleased with the outcome. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.